Hey, we're up here at JP's. We're gonna work on that Nissan, that budget build some more today. But he's got something up here that's just pretty cool. I'm gonna show you guys this thing. I mean, this thing is cool. Check this dude out. I mean, this thing is cool. It's a little Mazda van of some kind. I don't know, I've never seen one. I'm gonna have to research it because, you know, the steering wheel's on the wrong side. But look at that interior. This thing is just super cool. I mean, look at it. I don't know what it is. I gotta research it. Check out the inside, man. This thing is so cool. Gosh. They got Bigfoot hanging on the mirror. Cool little car. Cool. Man, this thing is so awesome. It is so awesome. I have no idea what that says, but it is a Mazda. I don't know. I'm going to look it up. I'm going to see what it is. Good morning and welcome back to the channel. We're glad you're here with us to ride along with this budget build on this 2015 Nissan Altima S Special Edition. We're back up here at JP's. We're going to work on this car today. Try to get some of the body work done because our parts seem to be lagging along on FedEx trucks and whatnot. We can't seem to get much of it in, but we do have a lot of work to do to this car. You know, in the last video, we did get it running. You know, we just temporaried that suspension up, put that new control arm on, and got it to where it'll move around on its own. So that was a big step. You know, we got all them new suspension parts. We're going to replace those. I don't think we're going to do that today. We're going to focus on the body work, kind of try to get that stuff done. You know, we're going to pull a car in the shop right now, and we're going to get to work on it. What we're going to do is we're going to talk about what this thing's going to need, because it's going to need just a little bit of love. You know, not much. We got some parts ordered, but for whatever reason, the FedEx, the UPS, the post office, they just don't want to bring them. So maybe they ain't got them. I don't know. But we ain't got none of them yet. Like none of them. Maybe a couple of fender liners. That's all we got. So what we got is, I mean, this thing, it would hit in the right front wheel. It completely broke the lower control arm in two, like severed. So that was broke. It pulled the axle out. Also, we got a new steering knuckle. I mean, I don't know if we need a steering knuckle, but we got it. We got the steering knuckle, we got the strut. We already put the new lower control arm on, and then the two tie rod ends are a little bit bent too. So we got all that new, you know, all those suspension parts, we're gonna put all of that on. We just temporaried it together to get it here into the shop so we can not work in the yard, because working in the yard ain't no fun. So we went ahead and took off the fender. It was bent, and then the front bumper, it was broke in half right here. So we got a new headlight, we got a new fender, we got a new bumper coming, and then we got the fender liners, and then there's a little brace right here that goes out to the fender. We got that coming. So all of that's going to be new. I mean, we got all of that, but we had to, you know, this is the budget. You know, we got to stick to the budget. We got to stick to the plan. So there's a couple of things we got to fix, and I show you what those are. They're right over here. So this driver's door, it needs a little bit of love. I mean, you can see right here, you know, when they made the evasive maneuver, they clipped something right here. So I don't know what it was, but it creased this. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna grind this paint off, and we'll probably tack a few studs on right here, and, you know, just tap, pull that door back out, put a little body filler on it, good as new. That's pretty easy right there. But the little more challenging job that we've got is this right here. So this I'd really like to buy this part, but it's not in the budget. So we're gonna snap this thing off. You know, tap, beat with the hammer. Try to get this back straight, and then the inner structure is a little bit bent as well. So this right here, where the bumper you know, this is a little bit bent, so we're going to pull this back out too. So we got to fix the trunk, and we got to fix this. Try to fix it without replacing it, because that's that gets into the budget if we have to replace that. And this, you know, I mean, if we could find one of these pretty cheap, I'd rather just buy this, because that's not going to be fun to fix, but it could be fixed. You know, we could fix it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to just jump on this thing. We'll probably snatch this bumper off, you know, get it out of the way, and see what we got going on inside this rear panel right here. Man, we have just been working like crazy. We pounced on this like a puma, and we got this door all fixed over here. Check this thing out. Oh, JP, he jumped in there. We studied that thing out. We pulled it out. It's ready to lock down. We got the trunk. We really just went to town on this thing today. And it's only been a couple of hours, maybe 3, but we have really put in the work. This car's coming together. If you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribing's free. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.